Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to look at Maniology's Stamp for a Cause, and this one is new. I believe it raises money for their local SPSFA PDQ for their sorry, animal shelters. Okay, that's what I think this is for. So I want to say quickly, anytime you see a stamp for a cause, they're raising money for something. They do give with every purchase, I believe, to their local, I know they're big about donating to children's charities, like for science, for education, for women's charities, and animal rescues. So I know that they have a program that they use, a formula, I guess, with their income and how they donate. And I do earn a commission if you use Guyleen325, just as everybody that has a discount code with Maniology. They earn a small commission for that. And I so appreciate and thank you guys when you use my code. That helps me be able to use that money to buy products to show you and to give away. Also, this is not a giveaway. I purchased this. I paid full price. Normally, I use someone else's code and I kind of rotate through codes to help everyone I can. But anytime that you're buying something that is a fundraiser, this is totally up to you, but I really don't want you using my code for this or anyone's code for this, because I feel like that takes away from the cause that they're trying to raise money for. Okay, understand? That's totally up to you. If you want to use the discount code, go ahead. I just prefer not to. Okay, so I didn't for this. So let's check out what I got in this little bag. It came in this cute little, I have a bunch of these, a little canvas bag, and this polish came with it, and an adorable stamper, and it has Stamp for a Cause, and a scraper, and a plate. And in this bag, I had to take it out before I showed you. I bought some smudge-free top coat because I was getting low on that. Oh, before I forget, on my nails, I got black undies. I have peel-off base coat on, and you see I lost my thumb already. But this is KB Shimmer, and this is How Polarizing, and it is a magnetic polish. And this is so pretty. I also purchased, like, for a couple videos, I had this on, and it is beautiful. Of course, also KB Shimmer. It is reflective, as you can see. Oh, so beautiful. And then I bought a thermal, and this is a like, it changes 3 different colors. It is a very bright correlating pink when it's warm, and then it gets to a little darker pink leaning red, and then it has almost red, and it has some shimmers in it. And I went to KB Shimmer because I saw this polish on Instagram, so I went and checked them all out, and I was gonna buy one of their top coats because everybody says that that's another great quick dry top coat. And I started looking at polishes and got distracted, as I do, and bought these polishes and then forgot to get a top coat to try. So, oh, okay. Oh, well, right? All right, let's check out the plate. Now, another reason that this plate caught my eye, I try to get all the fundraiser plates that they have, all the, like, Stamp for Causes that they have. But this one I had to get. Look at that paw. Because it's animals. I love cats and dogs. I love this, the little paws with the little flowers. There's a creeper looking at me at my window. What? All right. But this is the real thing that got me. The Frisbee dog. Penny's a Frisbee dog. Well, she's not really a Frisbee dog, but she catches Frisbee. She plays Frisbee because hers 100% good dog. Anyway, this is adorable too. I love that. Baseballs, tennis balls. Look at the little surfer dog. Woof. Aloha for animals. Oh, so cute. So cute. I love this. Oh, there we go. Kauai Humane Society. This is M367. I don't know. I think you could buy the plate by itself. I don't know. I just bought the kit. I'm sure it was a little more expensive than these little kits normally are for one polish, a stamper, and a plate. But like I said, try anytime I can to help them out when they're doing some sort of fundraiser. Although I do not think this polish is going to look that great with a peach over it, but probably just do white. Oh. And I love this pattern. Hello. Love this pattern here. So cute. All right. Oh, this color is perfect. 473. It's perfect. It doesn't look super opaque, so I don't think it would show up really good over black, but we're going to see. And it picked up clean and clear. Their polishes always do. That's very nice. I love it over the white. It's okay over the black. It's not, I'm not, you know, over the moon about it, but I'm going to give this a B. I mean, it's a really good stamping polish, and it stamps clean and clear, and it looks perfect, exactly the color it should be over this white, but not great over the black, but didn't really think it would. Look at all the little paw prints. This is so cute. I absolutely love this. A little ball. Okay, it's so cute. Cuteness overload. Oh my gosh, you can't believe. So my husband came to the window to see if I was recording because he asked me to go to town with him. You could do it by yourself, man. I have faith in you. You can go to town all by yourself. And there he goes. Yay! Good job. No, I don't really like it over this color. I didn't figure I would, but I thought we'd just give it a try real quick. I am using She Modern's sticky white because, I mean, Bam White's great, but I don't have any sticky base coat on my nails, and my nails are dry. So I want this to stick. Oh, look how cute that is. That's a penny pie jumping to get the Frisbee. Oh, that's so cute. Love that. All right, what else do I want on here? I think I just want this one here. No, I think I'm going to do this. Little kitty and the puppy together. Ah, so sweet. Oh. I messed it up. Wrong. Do it again. So I do have a couple of coats of top coat on here. So this is just gonna come right off. I forget, you cannot be super fast with this stamping polish. Give it a little blow. That's wrong. That was bad wording there. Let it dry just a second. There. Perfect. Oh, that's adorable. I'm just going to shape that up to my finger size. Oh, I love that. All right, there's what we got. They're so adorable. And yes, a great cause. So if you're interested in this, please go to Maniology and check out the Stamp for a Cause this month. And this is Society M367. Love it. That's adorable. Love it. Look, my right hand even looks good for a change. Amazing. Thanks, you guys. Bye. Oh, there's a chicken in my bird feeder. Hi. Oh. Blue Jay's like, yeah, it's mine. Penny, we got chickens that need taken care of. Get those chickens. Ready? Go get those chickens. Get those chickens. Get those chickens. Get them chickens. Yeah, you tell them. I made a mess. Yeah, good girl. Listen here, chickens. That's for my birds. Not for you. We made a mess. So I thought it was the birds slinging the seed everywhere. It's the stinging chickens. You better run. You better get out here. Sick the dog on you.